Oh, so I'm on Samana Wanya here. And Fidika Kaka say, Kantanka Nyansa Buakwa. Ladies and gentlemen, the account name speaks for itself. Wisdom that helps all free of charge. Nyansa Buakwa. True to his name, a major device that works on the irrigation of our farms. Alokwa say ye yakasa ye piane na yetimi didi emei ye kabi mpo ekwa manamaya akaso a e wo say ye piafo enye de pia ana omodi bokiti omodi eye new bucket eko nsuo ahodo ye say opesi enoti ekom eba abosafo se debi se boni ye fidia bibini so timi dwene eye fidie ono kantanka ono ne nyasabo akwa no benim sa beba wosem na sa be de ebe pro ne taban mu na wahwa de se boni dwene a bibini so edene ema ne bro so 2022 and I did the kind of a sopo and what you know I meant to say on Baba na bonimpo so you're not here the kind or you to me no I am one galaxy need the home the sense what's never the home as say oh for so kakre wom as tin never be so the big aka home send the baby pia for benya so emphasis so it we are winning na ka there. The new model you see is designed as a truck. It is simple and brings flexibility in its operation. Unlike the previous model that was coupled to a tractor, the KI2 has its own driver control cabin and is therefore not coupled to a tractor. This brings convenience, improves efficiency, and thereby increasing production per hour. As you can see, its wings are spreading beautifully right here at the Apostle Safo School of Arts and Sciences, made possible by the African star and his team, Emeritus Professor Apostle Dr. Engineer Kojo Safo, an African relic for all time, and indeed Africa's most prolific inventor of all time. Please put your hands together for him. Yes. Now, as our speaker mentioned, the spraying wings cover 57 feet on both sides, 57 feet on both sides, with 19 feet foldable arm points. The wings are behind the reservoir at the rear of the truck compared to the previous model we saw here in 2022. Fidia we yanye no ewo Japan, yanye ewo China, yanye ewo Australia, yewo Ghana muhaya. Emeritus Professor Apostle Dr. Engineer Kojo Safo, and then the Dom Merima out to Tiomo, a Bonachi, a Dom, a man so etitre, Asia, Ewan, and I say. And when Kantanka says who we are, she aye, that just said, Bibini so South Nasi, now Junior, who be to me again, and your brother Cassatin thing, and young with the booted thing, then mum no so nima, yet, Diane. It is senior Usuno, the piano by no piano. I didn't see you so come up, open the summer bowl some. Now yet the day. Now be mind your day. Oh, check and tank us away. You're sorry now, so. Never some book is here, and my idea fair, for by Emeritus, Senyana, na yenya kwa osubrania oyi obebremo it is any uti hono say fit anobaye na wosoro say wo fom etimi ekro ntaban mu abia obedi nsuo na wo so wa fefe say de bibi mai be fefe na no so akọ na nim no bon sema kantanka ai oye papa omme oye adepa e de so bia mfie de nan ni afibia impo ebra covid aba na dodo etete no na posafo ehegoma mpota oye hwehwemu sine be ya meneo ebenya eso emfaso woye na famudie ne mom dia ka ne se yenso ye be so asene na ye gya kasa nko a ne dia hoden so atanachi Kantanka nyansabwa kwa de tosomieno ana wo se edi ne dwobei